Hello, my name is Veronica Pacini-Ketchabaw, and I'm the co-author alongside Cristina Delgado Vintimilla of a chapter in NORRAG's book, Transforming Development in Education from Coloniality to Rethinking, Reframing, and Reimagining Possibilities. The title of our chapter is Microfragmentos of Reparation and Reinvention, Cheche Food Practices with Women and Children. This chapter presents microfragments of reparation and reinvention, which are modest, localized political initiatives confronting the encroachment of capitalist and neo-colonial forces in the highlands of the Ecuadorian Andes. The microfragments we describe emerge from a pedagogical project with Kaniari women and children. Through practices such as growing potatoes, preparing meals together, and introducing children to traditional childhood meals, women and children reshape the conditions of their everyday lives. We argue in the chapter that the seemingly minor moments serve as acts of reinvention, challenging the colonial legacies and tragedies collectively inherited by Kaniari women and children in the modernized Andes. We invite you to read the chapter and the wider publication and share your thoughts. Thank you.